Hello and welcome. Before we go any further, let's talk about the language of Excel. As you will all know, Excel has been a veritable tool, a very important tool for mathematical equation, for data analysis, and for statistical analysis, and so much more. All right. Now, if you want to use an Excel to perform any mathematical function, the first thing we have to do is to introduce the equal sign, and then Excel is ready to do our biddings. So if, like we did earlier, if we say 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, Excel will easily do it for us. If we say is equal to 34 plus 89 plus 93 plus 189. All right, and we hit the enter sign, enter key, it will solve the problem. All right, and now that is not all. If we have numbers, for instance, we have 23 here, we have 45 there, we have 56 here. All right, and then we want to use Excel to add up. As soon as we put our equal sign, all we need to do is to click on the number that we want. For instance, we have clicked on that, Excel has put it in its memory, plus this, the number in this cell, plus the number in this cell. And when we click enter, Excel has added it for us and sum it up as 124. So with Excel, we really do not need any kind of calculator. So what did you get with this? If you got 124, congratulations, you are on your way to becoming an Excel guru. I'll see you in the next class.